We've made the long journey to Scotland, here in Stirling. A stone's throw away from Stirling Castle, we're here at CA Models. These guys have invested in the first machine tool from GROB in Scotland. Stephen, it's not very often we get a massive opportunity to talk to companies that have invested in such a machine tool as this GROB. Now, this is the first GROB machine tool in Scotland. Now, tell us a little bit about CA Models and tell me a little bit about your background.
CA Models is a company 30 years strong plus. It's traditionally started off with hand model making skilled personnel, and we've migrated on to CNC, 2-axis, 3-axis, 4-axis, and now into 5-axis.
And when you look at the types of work that you're actually getting here, I see that it's very bespoke. You're programming on a daily basis. Is it very prismatic machining that you're doing here?
Yeah, it's prismatic machining, like you say, it's bespoke high-end parts from various sectors.
So Stephen, when you look at the platform that you've got here with this GROB G550 with the turning and milling applications, you've got a lot of different machine tool capabilities here, but why did you pick the GROB?
Well, we were looking for a 5-axis machine, and quite often we go on YouTube and we've seen a couple of videos performed by MTD in Germany and Mildenham, and that piqued our interest enough to make the actual approach.
Well, that's a fantastic endorsement, but one thing what is more amazing, if I may say, that TES centre that they've got in Middelheim is absolutely fantastic. I mean, the type of variants of different work that they can show pieces that they've got there, I can understand why obviously this was on your radar. Is this type of machine future-proof in CA Models?
Very much so. I mean, if anything, it's more than we need at the moment, but I think the machine tool will open doors for us.
And I think that's quite interesting, isn't it? Because obviously the capability of overhead machining, for instance, but this machine can actually really cut some really heavy materials as well, can't it?
Oh yeah, right up to your exotics, Inconels. I mean, it's a high torque spindle. I think it's a 260 Newton meters, so that's going to take anything we throw at it.
And I think looking around your machine tool shop here with lots of different, you've got EDM options, additive manufacturing is a big part. Obviously this latest acquisition with this GROB, I presume that obviously you're pushing into some of the bigger markets like aerospace now.
Yes, aerospace, automotive. We're already involved in F1 motorsport, but this is just going to open some more doors for us.
For any engineers watching this video, what would be your message if they're looking to outsource hard materials, hard parts, prismatic parts?
Look no further than GROB. It's as simple as that. It does everything that we need it to do and more.